Welcome back, my friend, to another episode of Money Bag Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to join you across time and space. If you're feeling frustrated with circumstance, insecure, angry, lonely, tired, depressed, anxious, worried, feeling some shame, guilt, self-hatred, perhaps you even feel joyful. No matter what you feel today, reminding you that it's a-okay, that millions, if not billions of people can relate. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust. Trust in the unfolding of life. Trust in our capabilities to manifest new blessings. Trust in others, remembering that trust is our superpower, not a weakness, but a strength. In fact, not having any trust is a weakness. So letting go of this mistrust in life, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, dropping the shoulders away from your ears. Relaxing your belly. Becoming more aware of your body. Becoming more aware of your thoughts, witnessing and welcoming any thoughts, any emotions, sensations, tensions. All is welcome. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale. Breathing in fully and completely through the nose. Exhaling out your mouth. Breathing in trust. And exhale, letting go of worries. Breathing in love. And exhale, letting go of shame, guilt, insecurities. The past is past. It's gone. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in compassion. Exhale, letting go of anger. New opportunities, so many of them. Coming into the abundance of this moment as you breathe in presence. And exhale, letting go of the future, letting go of the past. Coming into this present moment, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your hands and feet, relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead, relaxing the belly, opening your chest. Know that your heart is beating, know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be this way. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, tensing your body, squeeze down on your fist, squeeze down on your jaw, tense, tense. And exhale, release. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And again, tense your body, squeezing down on your jaw. Tense your face, tense your body, everything tense. Squeezing down on your fist. And exhale, release, softening, letting go. Feeling your hands relaxed, face relaxed. Bringing a smile. Smiling at any pain that's inside, knowing that you are beyond pain, beyond anxiety, beyond depression, beyond addiction. For a few moments, if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in through your nose, holding the breath at the top, returning home to the sound of the bell. And exhaling, letting go. Letting go of thoughts, coming back into your posture, aware of how you sat. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. The color for today is silver. The number is 4, and the animal is a walrus. Coming back into love for yourself, despite flaws, despite mistakes. Remembering that's what makes you human. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Thank you for joining me across time and space. I so appreciate your presence. Sending you a big hug, my friend. Across time and space, I'm wishing you a beautiful day. Remember that making mistakes, having flaws, is part of what makes us human. Otherwise, we might as well be a robot if we really don't want to make mistakes. Mistakes and shortcomings, failures, mishaps, all of it is just learning. So be compassionate with yourself as you make mistakes, as you come up short, time and time again. I know what it's like to feel like I failed once again, but just keep learning through the failures, through the mistakes, through the setbacks, and remember that it's part of being human. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.